A 10 Soft is a range of discrete pads designed to manage light, moderate, and heavy urinary incontinence. A 10 Soft pads are body-shaped and very thin for improved discretion. Both top sheet and back sheet are made of soft, skin-friendly materials. The back sheet material is also breathable for improved comfort and skin health. The pads are easy to use. Simply peel off the adhesive tape and place the pad into your own underwear. A 10 Soft has gentle foam elastics at the sides that give you extra protection in case of an accident. The first layer quickly lets liquid pass through, then fluid and odours are absorbed and locked away, reducing the risk of leakage and keeping your skin dry. After usage, simply dispose of the pad. The smart thing about a 10 Soft is that it's a complete range of pads offering no less than 7 different levels of absorbency, all identified with a number. They all come in the same body-shaped design and will keep you feeling dry and protected. Do you have any further questions? Don't hesitate to contact us.